Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Kia Sportage Kia Sorento, guys, with a 2.4 GDI engine, guys, and you have a valve lifter noise. Stay with us and we will explain what can easily cause that. Now, before we start, let me tell you, it takes quite a bit of work to replace valve lifters, but if you want to see the complete video, guys, we have it on our channel that will teach you step by step how to do that. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make, guys, at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. If you need to buy new valve lifters, parts, tools for your car for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. So, with that being said, guys, let's explain what we have here. We remove the camshafts. Those are the camshafts, intake, exhaust. Once you remove your camshafts, you can get to the valve lifters, which are actually right here. It's a 16 valve engine, okay, 4 valves per cylinder, 2 intake, 2 exhaust, so 2, 4, 6, 8 intake, 2, 4, 6, 8 exhaust valves. What can easily cause valve lifter noise, guys? That's where things get interesting. Now, those valve lifters are actually not hydraulic. It's easily accepted to expect valve lifter noise from hydraulic valve lifters that are self-adjustable. Those are not self-adjustable. Every valve lifter has a specific number. For instance, this one, the thickness of this one is 3.345. And if I go to the next one, guys, okay, the thickness, okay, let me get this one. The thickness is 3.360. Now, if you guys had the car from new, it's very unlikely that you will develop valve lifter noise. When you can develop valve lifter noise? That can happen, okay, if the valve lifters themselves get wore out to the point that the distance between the camshaft and the valve lifters, you have a gap. That gap will actually result into a lifter noise. Now, that doesn't happen very often. What can easily happen if somebody worked on your car, replaced cylinder head gasket, camshafts, anything like that. If they, guys, mismatch those valve lifters, if you remove them and don't put them exactly in the same order that you remove them, you will have different thickness, which can result into valve lifter noise. Even having a valve that is stuck open a little bit, not closed all the way, because, for instance, check this thing out here. That valve, okay, was a little bit probably close to be open, guys. It was so close. So that can, okay, easily cause, okay, valve to be open as well. But in some cases it can just cause a valve lifter noise and a little bit of loss of power that you may not notice, and that can, guys, seriously affect your vehicle. So if you bought the vehicle used, there is a chance that somebody mismatched those or didn't adjust them. The procedure to fix valve lifter noise on those, it's a little bit complicated. Why? Due to the fact, guys, that you need to install the camshaft at least with 2 caps, one here, one on the end, and you need to measure the distance between the lifter and the camshaft, okay, when the valve is closed, and to make sure, okay, that this distance is according to the manual, and different years will have different specifications, but you get the idea. If you want to see the procedure to replace valve lifters and how to get to them, we have it on the channel. Check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.